Let's solve this question. A quantity x is obtained by adding three quantities. The first is a constant p, the second varies directly with the square root of y, and third one varies directly with the fourth root of y. So I can write this quantity x as, this is sum of three quantities. First one is constant p, second is varying directly with the square root of y. So I can say x is varying directly with the square root of y. So x must be some constant times y, and x is also varying directly with fourth root of y. So I can say x will be some constant times fourth root of y. So I can write this x as, or the joint variation of x is p plus b times root y plus c times fourth root of y. This is the relation between x and y. Now it is given when y is equal to 1, x is equal to 56. Let's just put these values. X is 56 when y is 1, so it becomes p plus b, because root of plus 1 is square root of 1 is 1 and fourth root of 1 is also 1. So I get the first equation as p plus b plus c is equal to 56. When y is 16, x is 112. X is 112 when y is 16. Square root of 16 is 4. So this is 4 times of b plus fourth root of 16 is 2. So this is 2 times of c. This is my second equation. Now one information is also given when y is equal to 625, x is 472. So x is 472 when y is 625. So it is p plus, for square root of 625 is 25. So it is 25 times b plus fourth root of 625 is 5. So it becomes 5 times of c. This is the third equation. 472 is equal to p plus 25b plus 5c. Now by eliminating the variables from these three equations, I can easily find get the value of these three variables. So what I need to find the value of constant p. I need to know the value of p. So let's just see. I'm subtracting equation 1 from 2. So 2 minus 1 I get is 56 is equal to 3b plus c, and I am subtracting equation for 1 from the third. I get is 472 minus 56. So 416 is equal to 25b minus b, that is 24b. 5c minus c, that is 4c. This get cancelled, these coefficients get cancelled by 4. This is 104 is equal to 6 times b plus c. So now subtracting, I am calling this equation as 4 and this is 5th. Now subtracting for 4th from this equation 5. So 5 minus 4 I get is 3 times of b is equal to 48. So from here I get the value of b as 16. So this is the value of constant b. Now putting this value of b in any one of this equation, so 3b becomes 48. So from here I get c as 56 minus 48, that is 8. So I got two of the constants, b and c, 16 and 8. So just put the value of b and c in this equation to get the value of p. So p becomes 56 minus b plus c, that is 56 minus 8 minus 16, or p becomes how much? 56 and minus 16 is 40. 40 minus 8 is 32. So correct answer to this question is, what the value of constant p? The value of constant p is 32. Correct answer is 32.